Hello, what's up? I hope you are safe and doing well. Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we all learn to make interesting projects using Arduino. Friends, you must have watched many movies where army men detect the presence of enemies using radars and sonars. Friends, radars are the machines which help in detecting the object and how far it is from the place where the radar has been installed. In this way, they detect the enemies. Friends, today we will make a miniature radar. Excited? Let me give you the demo of today's project. Watch carefully. Friends, as you can see, this is our radar. This is my robot on which I have installed the radar, and this part is the radar. Friends, as soon as I plug in my radar, observe what happens. Friends, as you can see, my radar has started moving and searching for objects in its vicinity. This is not the complete part. Let me show you the place where it searches for objects and tells the distance between the objects if detected. Friends, as you can see, this is our output. And as my servo motor is rotating with the sensor and searching for objects in its vicinity, it shows the objects here. As you can see, now nothing is in its contact and everything is green. These lines are of my monitor. So friends, this is our object and just see what happens when it goes in front, passes through it. Friends, as you can see, my plane just passes through the radar and it got printed on the angle like about from 60-degree, it has passed. So it also shows the distance, like it's currently showing distance as 9 meters and now it came as 10 centimeters, 11 centimeter and so on. Friends, we will be making this project today. It's a really interesting project. Friends, as you saw, I had installed my ultrasonic sensor on the servo motor, which helped it in rotating. And when an obstacle comes in front of the in the range of the ultrasonic sensor, it gets displayed on the radar. Friends, this is the project. For this project, we require an Arduino Uno, a ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, a few male to male and male to female jumper wires, and a breadboard. Friends, without further delay, let's get started. First, I will show you the construction of the project. Friends, this is the construction of the project. As you can see, this is our servo motor, our ultrasonic sensor, our breadboard, and of course, our Arduino Uno. Friends, this ultrasonic sensor interfacing was done in my previous video. You can refer for that. You can refer it for the for the interfacing of ultrasonic sensor. This is a servo motor. Friends, as you can see, it has three wires. This is the yellow wire, red wire, and the brown wire. Friends, for the yellow wire, we connect it to the digital pin number 7. As you can see, this is a red wire which has been connected to 5 volts. And this is our black wire which has been connected to the brown wire of the servo motor and has been connected to ground on the Arduino Uno. Friends, this was the construction of the project. Now, I will show you the simulation. Friends, as you can see, our servo motor has started rotating. I could not place the ultrasonic sensor on the servo motor, so that's okay. I showed the output already. So first it turns clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Now coming to the code part. Friends, as you can see, this is our code part. So friends, for installation and the proper moving of the servo motor, we include a library called as servo.h, which helps a lot for the moving of the servo motor. This does not come pre-installed in our system. So for that, we need to go to Sketch and go to include library. From there, we go to manage libraries and our library manager opens. So this is our search bar. So we will search servo here. It takes a little time to search for the libraries. And as you can see, this is the servo motor library which we will be using. So I have already installed that. You can install it from the library manager. Friends, in this part, we are setting the trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor to output and echo pin as input. Friends, in this part, we will be programming our servo motor to rotate first, rotate clockwise, and then rotate anti-clockwise, as you saw in the output. Friends, for this project, we require a software called as Processing 3. You can download it with the link present in the description below. Friends, with the help of Processing 3, we will be able to design our output as the radar, which I showed before. Friends, as you can see, this is my Processing 3 software where I have dumped my code present in the description below. With the help of the full code, we are able to create the radar output. Friends, this was the code part. Now I'm going to show you the output. Friends, for the output, we need to first verify our code. So for that, we go to our Arduino IDE and we click on the verify button. So as you can see, it has started compiling the sketch and the compiling has finished. Now we will upload it. So to upload, we will first plug in our Arduino Uno board. And now to upload, as usual, we press this button. So as you can see, our upload has been initiated. Friends, you must remember that you should use the same COM present on which your Arduino Uno board is there. So for that, friends, we go to our processing software. Friends, as you can see, I have put my Arduino Uno board on COM9. So I have written COM9 here. You have to use the same port on which you have uploaded your Arduino Uno. So friends, now it's time for execution. Now I am going to execute my program. Friends, for that radar to come, we go to run button and we press it. So friends, as you can see, the radar has the simulation has come. Now I'm going to show you with my radar as well. So friends, as you can see, after uploading the code, my radar is searching for objects in its vicinity, and same I will get my object. And as you can see, it has been detected between 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And the distance is also there. As you can see, it's 5 centimeters away from the ultrasonic sensor. And now it gets detected between 90 degrees and 120 degrees. And now between 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Friends, this was today's project using a servo motor and an ultrasonic sensor to make a radar. Friends, this is a really interesting project. If you liked it, give a thumbs up. For more interesting projects on Arduino Uno, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like and share. Thank you, friends, for watching. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.